23rd Wing Air Force Station Jammu celebrating their Diamond Jubilee today. And here they come shooting down looking just like shooting stars. So go ahead and make a wish because today is your lucky day.
Check it out.